Hello friends, I hope you all doing well. In this session, I am going to explain about new topic which is very important for banking and SSC, that is direction sense. In this topic, mainly you have to remember the directions north, south, west and east. And also remember this is northeast, northwest, southwest and southeast. Please note down these directions. Also, while coming for every class, please try to bring pen and paper so that you can solve parallelly with me. Please note down these directions, which is very important. Let's move on to the first question. Raju was to go to the planetarium, so he walked 1.5 kilometer towards east from the place and then returned to right and walked 2.5 kilometer and then turned towards east, walked 1 kilometer and turned to south and walked another 4 kilometer and finally reached the place by walking 2.5 kilometer towards west. What distance is he from the starting point? Options are 6.5 kilometer, 9.5 kilometer, 10 kilometer, 9 kilometer. Okay, now let's start. Raju walked 1.5 kilometer towards east. So towards east direction, he walked 1.5 kilometer and then returned to right and walked 2.5 kilometer. Right side 2.5 and then towards east 1 kilometer. Towards east direction 1 kilometer and then return to south, walk 4 kilometer. For south 4 kilometer and then reach the place by walking 2.5 kilometer towards west. 2.5 kilometer towards west. So what distance is he from the starting point? 2.5 this is 1 kilometer plus this one 1.5, so total 2.5 kilometers. So they are asking what distance is he from the starting point. So add this 2.5 plus 4, this vertical distance. So total 6.5 kilometers. Option A is the right answer. Next question. A cyclist rides 40 kilometers to the east, then turns north and rides 20 kilometers. Again turns left and rides 20 kilometers. How far is he from the starting point? Options are 0 kilometer, 10 kilometer, 28.28 kilometer, 30 kilometer. Starting from the east, 20 kilometer, then turns north and rides 20 kilometer. sorry, it is 40 kilometer to the east. Then turns north and writes this one over. Then turns north and writes 20 kilometer. Then he turns north and writes 20 kilometer. Then again turns left and writes 20 kilometer. So how far is he from the starting point? For this, you have to apply Pythagoras theorem. That is this one. Take it as x. X equals square root of 20 square plus, okay, this one is total 40. So this is 20 and this one 20. So 20 square plus 20 square. This distance of vertical and this distance horizontal. So this is a diagonal distance x. So this is the formula, x square is equal to y square plus z square. This Pythagoras theorem. Okay, for this is 2 times 20 square. That is root 2 into, if you remove this 20 square, square root means 1 by 2, that becomes 20. So 20 into root 2, value of root 2 is 1.414. So if you multiply, you will get approximately 28.28 kilometers. This is very, very simple. If you practice, you will solve within 1 minute. So right answer option C. Next question. One morning, Savita set out from home to fetch water in the direction of the sun. After some time, she turned to her left and then to her right. After some time, she turned to her right again. Now, which direction is he facing? Options are south, west, east, north. Here the hint is she is in the direction of sun rises. Sun rises in east direction. This is the point you have to catch. They're telling one morning Savita set out from home to fetch up water in the direction of sun. Okay, sun rises in east direction. So after some time, she returned to her left. So this is the east direction she started, and after some time she turned left and then to her right. After some time she turned to her right again. Now she is in the which direction? This is south direction. Also this can be done in without pen and paper. Without writing anything, pen and paper. Means here the value is not given. Sometimes if they given the value, then it should be maintained proper distance. Here you can assume she is started in the direction of sun, means she is started in the east direction. In the mind only you have to, in your mind, this chart has to be came like she is started in the east direction, then after some time she turned to her left, this one left, and then to her right, and after some time again she turn to her right again. That means finally she is in the south direction. So if you practice 2 or 3 times, it will be very easy. No need to write this chart also. In mind only you can calculate and analyze it. So here the right answer is option A, south. Next question. Jafar starting from a fixed point goes 15 km towards north, and then after turning to his right he goes 15 km. Then he goes 10, 15 and 15 km respectively after turning to his left each time. How far is he from his starting point? Options are 10 km, 20 km, 15 km, 5 km. Here Jafar started a fixed point, goes 15 km towards north. He started from north 15 km, and then after turning to his right he goes 15 km. So right 15 km. Again he goes 10, 15 and 15 km after turning to his left each time. So 10 km left, again 15 km left, again 15 km left. 15 km means here. This is 10 plus 5. So remaining is 10. So how far is he from the starting point? So he reached this point. This one I highlighted. So he reached this point. So from the starting point it is 10 km. So option A is the right answer. Next question. Going 40 meters to the south of his house, Ramdev turns left and goes another 10 meters. Then turning to the north, he goes 20 meters and then starts walking to his house. In which direction is he walking now? Options are northwest, northeast, southeast, southwest. So here going 40 meters to the south. So he started from south 40 meters, then turns left and goes another 10 meters. Left 10 meters, then turning north 20 meters. North 20 meters. So then he start walking to his house. So in which direction is he walking? So in which direction he is walking? They are asking this direction. So this is northwest. So as I told earlier, these are the directions: north, south, west, east. This is northeast. This is northwest, and this is southwest, and this is southeast. So option A is the right one, northwest. Next question. Ramesh walks 2 kilometers to west and turns to his right and walks 3 kilometers and turns right and walks 2 kilometers and finally turns to his right. So in which direction is he facing? Options are east, west, north, south. Here in sentence you no need to be confused because you have to take in which direction and what is the distance. You have to catch these 2 points in every sentence. Direction plus distance. Okay, Ramesh walks 2 kilometers to the west. See, I am taking 2 kilometers west. And then right 3 kilometers. And then again turns right with 2 kilometers. Sorry guys, here I took left turn, I think. Wait. 2 kilometers west. And then right 3 kilometers. Right 3 kilometers. And again right 2 kilometers. Again right 2 kilometers. And finally returns to his right. So in which direction is he facing? He is facing south direction, downward. Like this, you have to analyze direction plus distance. Next question. Pratap starts from school and walks 7 kilometers towards east. He takes a left and walks 4 kilometers. Then takes a right turn and walks 2 kilometers. Again takes a right and walks 3 kilometers. Which direction is he facing now? Options are south, north, east, west. Okay, 7 kilometers towards east. See, I am catching direction plus distance. 7 kilometers east. Then he take left 4 kilometers. Left 4 kilometers. Then right 2 kilometers. Right 2 kilometers. Then again right 3 kilometers. In which direction is he facing? Again he is facing south, downward direction. That is option A. Just you have to catch in which direction and how many kilometers. Which direction, how many kilometers. Like that you have to analyze. Next question. Vijay traveled 12 kilometers southward, then turned right and traveled 10 kilometers, then again turned right and traveled 12 kilometers. How far was Vijay from the starting point? Options are 22 kilometers, 44 kilometers, 12 kilometers, 10 kilometers. 12 kilometers southward. Then right 10 kilometers. Then again right 12 kilometers. So how far is Vijay from the starting point? This is the starting point. So this distance is 10 kilometers. That is option D. Next question. A person walks towards his house at 8 a.m. and observes his shadow to his right. In which direction he is he walking? Options are north, south, east, west. See here they are telling 8 a.m. 8 a.m. means his, his direction is towards east. This is the hint. And observes his shadow to his right. So shadow means if he is facing east, then its shadow to his right. To his right means this is shadow direction. It means obviously it is south direction. He is facing in the south direction. It is option B. Please remember this hint. East direction. You have to take east direction. This is very important. This not specified in the question. You have to take as east direction. Next question. Boat moves from a jetty towards east. After sailing for 9 nautical miles, she turns towards right and covers another 12 nautical miles. If she wants to go back to the jetty, what is the shortest distance now from her present position? Options are 21 miles, 20 nautical miles, 18 nautical miles, 15 nautical miles. So boat moves from a jetty towards east. This is east direction. This is the starting point of jetty. So after sailing for 9 nautical miles, so this is 9 miles. She turns towards right and another 12 miles. So right another 12 miles. Then she wants to go back to the jetty. Go back to the jetty. That means this direction. From this direction to this direction. So what is the shortest distance now from our present position? So again here you have to apply Pythagoras theorem. 9 square 81 plus 12 square 144. If you add this two, you will get 225. This is 15 square. So the shortest distance is 15 nautical miles. Next question. A cyclist goes straight 7 km eastwards, then turns right again and goes straight 10 km. In which direction he see from the starting point? Options are southwest, northwest, northeast, southeast. So here it is starting from the 7 km eastwards. 7 km east and then turn right 10 km. In which direction he see from the starting point? So this is starting point. So from starting point is in which direction? This is southeast direction. They are asking from the starting point. So southeast is the right answer. That is option D. Also this question you can do in a mind. That means a cyclist goes towards 7 kilometer east. So this is east direction is going and then turn right for 10 kilometer. Then in what direction is from the starting point. So you can analyze in a mind. If you practice two or three problem like this in a mind, you can analyze. No need to write anything on the pen and paper like this. Next question. A man walks 20 meter towards east and then he turns to south and walks 50 meter. Again he turns to east and walks 30 meter. After this he turns to north and walks 170 meter. Now how far is he from the starting point? Options are 130 meter, 150 meter, 140 meter, 160 meter. 20 meter towards east. See, I am catching only direction and what distance. This is the hint you have to catch. No need to what read all the terms. Just catch these points: direction and distance. So this is very important. So east 20 meter. Then it turns south 50 meter. So south means downward 50. Then again east 30 meter. East 30 meter. After this, he returned north 170 meter. North 170 meter. So this becomes 50 and remaining is 120. So this one, this total is 170. So they are asking now how far is he from the starting point? From the starting point to the end point, what is the distance? So you have to consider this triangle. This is 120 and this is 20. This is x. Square root of 120 square plus this one is 50. This one 20 and this one 30. So total is this direction 50. So you just remove these zeros, add later, just add 12 square plus 5 square like that. 144 plus 12 square 144, 5 square 25, it becomes 169, that is 13, and now add 0, it becomes 130. So like this you have to catch the points and answer. Next question. Ram and Sam start walking towards north and cover 20 meter. Ram turns to his left and Sam to his right. After some time, Ram walks 10 meter in the east direction, sorry, in the same direction in which he returned. On the other hand, Sam walks only 7 meter. Later, Ram turns towards his left and Sam to his right. Both walk 25 meter forward. How far is Ram from Sam now? Options are 10 meter, 20 meter, 17 meter, 5 meter. See, this question looks big, but it's a very simple. If you understand, Ram and Sam start walking towards north and cover 20 meter. Both Ram and Sam towards north 20 meter. Catch this point, north 20 meter. Okay, then Ram turns to his left and Sam to his right. Ram left, Sam right. So after some time, Ram walks 10 meter in the same direction in which he turned. That means this is 10 meter. Okay. Then on the other end, Sam walks only 7 meter. He walks only 7 meter. See, only catch these points. 10 meter in the same direction. So later, Ram turns to his left. Left means this side, and Sam to his right. Sam right means this side. Both walks 25 meter forward. 25. So earlier this is 20 and this is 25. So both walks 25. So how far is Ram from Sam now? So this is the distance they are asking. 10 plus 7, that is 17. So option C is the right answer. It is very, very simple. If you understand the question and catch the points very quickly. Next question. A man travels 4 kilometer due north, then travels 6 kilometer due east, and further travels 4 kilometer due north. So how far is he from the starting point? Options are 6 kilometer, 14 kilometer, 8 kilometer, 10 kilometer. So he started from the north 4 meter, then 6 kilometer east, and again 4 kilometer north. So how far is he from the starting point? So this is the starting point. So this is 6 and this is 4 plus 4 is, this distance is 8. This one 6. So apply Pythagoras theorem. 8 square plus 6 square. 8 square 64. 6 square 36. So it becomes 100. So this is 10. So 10 kilometer is the right answer. Just all problems are very easy. Just you have to practice and practice. Next question. A direction pole was situated on the road crossing. Due to an accident, the pole turned in such a manner that the pointer which was showing east started showing south. Then Sita, a traveler, went to the wrong direction thinking it would be west, in which direction actually she was traveling. Options are north, west, east, south. This is also very, very easy. If you think properly, you no need to write anything. Just by glancing the question, you can answer. See, there is a direction pole situated on the road crossing. Due to an accident, the pole turned in such a manner, pointer showing which was showing east started showing south. So it changes from east to south. That's all. So then traveler Sita went to the wrong direction, thinking it would be a west. Then change this direction also. That's all. See, it's very simple. This is the east direction showing east. Obviously, then it is west. Okay. Instead of east, they due to an accident started showing south. That means it become like in this direction. The pole direction turns due to accident from east to south. This is the direction from east to, so it becomes south direction. So obviously west becomes in which direction? West becomes in which direction? This is showing north direction. West showing W means west. It's showing what? North direction. Okay, this W showing this one, this direction, north. So option A, north is the right answer. It's very simple. Next question. Raj is standing in the middle of a square field. He starts walking diagonally to northeast. Then he returns right and reaches the far end of the field. Then he turns right and starts walking. In the midway, he again he again turns right and starts walking. In halfway, he turns to his left and reaches a new far end. In which direction is Raj now? Options are north, south, northwest, southwest. See, they are telling Raj is standing in the middle of square field. So square field means hint for that is you have to maintain equal distance. Square field means try to maintain equal distance. Okay, then he starts walking diagonally to northeast. He started like this, northeast. Then he turns right and reaches far end in the field. This is the right turn. Okay, then he turns right and walking. Okay, in the midway, he again turns right and started walking. Again, his right took right and started walking. See, here there are three right turns. This is one, and this right is another one, and this one is third right. So here there are three right turns. This is the first one, this is the right second one, and here he again took right turn. This all should be in a square field, that is diagonally. Okay, after that three right turns. In halfway he returns left and reaches a new far end. Left. He took what? Left turn. So this is which direction they are asking. This one is which direction? This is southwest. This is what? Southwest direction. This option D. Like this, you have to analyze and answer. It is very very simple. If you practice one or two times, it will be very easy. Just you have to find in which direction they are going. Northeast, first one, then again three right turns, and last one left. Left turn, that's all. Next question. Ram is facing northwest. He turns in clockwise direction by 90 degree, then 180 degree in the anti-clockwise direction, and then another 90 degree in the same direction. In which direction he is he facing now? Options are southwest, west, south, southeast. See, Ram is facing northwest. Northwest is this direction. Okay, then he turns clockwise direction by 90 degree. Clockwise 90 degree. So you have to write the water so that if you write the axis, you will get the idea. This is northwest. Okay, then he turns clockwise direction 90 degree. So this is 45 degree and another 45. So it becomes 90 degree. So this direction he came, and this is clockwise 90, and then 180 anti-clockwise direction. So anti-clockwise means reverse 180. This is 90 and another 45 plus 45, it becomes here. See, this is 45, this is 45, and this is 45, and this is 45. So total 180 degree anti-clockwise direction. Okay, after that another 90 degree in the same direction. That means same direction means anti-clockwise 90 degree, another 90 degree. This is 45 and this is 45. This one to this one 90. Okay, in which direction he is he facing now? This is the direction he reaches here. This is which direction they are asking. This one which direction? This one is southeast. As I told earlier, this is northeast, this is northwest, this is southwest, and this is southeast. So this direction is northeast. It is option D. Southeast is the right answer. Next question. Five boys A, B, C, D, E are sitting in a park in a circle. A facing southwest, D is facing southeast, B and E are right opposite to A and D respectively, and C is equidistant between D and B. Which direction is C facing? Options are west, south, north, east. Okay, these 5 boys are sitting in a circle. This is the circle, and these are the directions. Okay, now they are telling A is facing southwest. Southwest means this direction. D is facing southeast. Southeast means this direction. And B and E are right opposite to A and D respectively. That means for D, E is the opposite one, and for B, A is the opposite one. Then C is equidistance between D and B. Equidistance between B and D is C. That means this point C. Okay, then they are asking which direction is C facing. So C facing in which direction? This is the direction they are asking. C facing east direction. That is option D. It is very, very simple. Next question. Current facing towards south moved straight 2 kilometer and from there turned to his right 90-degree and traveled 2 kilometer. Then he took a 45-degree turn to his left and traveled 1 kilometer. Where would he be now with respect to the starting point? Options are south region, southeast region, northwest region, southwest region. Okay. Current started towards south 2 kilometer. This is south 2 kilometer. From there he turned right 90-degree with 2 kilometer. Turn 90-degree means this direction 90-degree with 2 kilometer. Then took 45-degree turn to his left and traveled 1 kilometer. To his left 45 kilometers, sorry, 45-degree with 1 kilometer. So where would he be now with respect to the starting point? See, they are asking from the starting point in which direction? It is in the southwest direction. This direction they are asking is option D. Next question. Ramu walks 2 kilometers towards north and turns to his right and walks 4 kilometers more. He then turns to his right and walks 4 kilometers and turns again to his right and walks another 4 kilometers. In which direction is Ramu facing now? Options are east, north, south, west. Two kilometers north. Then right 4 kilometers. Then again right 4 kilometers. Just you have to catch the points direction and distance, that's all. Then again right 4 kilometers. Okay, in which direction is Ramo facing now? He is facing in the west direction. This is the direction he ended. That is in the west direction, option D. Very, very simple. Just catch the points. That is distance and directions. Okay guys, here I covered almost all types of direction sense problems which helps for both banking and SSC. Okay, many more problems, plenty of problems are available in our website, that is EduRapid. Please log in to our website and follow the PDFs. There you will get lot of problems in that PDF. Thank you.